But I thought I would put this on the planner. So this is my new logo profile picture. I want to try and get a new printer. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Good morning, welcome back to another studio vlog. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Carly and I'm a self-taught artist trying to build up my art business. So the other day I got a bit of a delivery which I half opened, but then I thought I'll just keep the rest of it to actually show you. So the first thing is I ordered a washi tape dispenser, which looks like that. So I'll assemble that in a minute. I also got a 2004 planner, which was a bit late into the year. I thought I'd just continue filling it in. But yeah, I got this from a place called Temu, which I also got this washi tape holder from there as well, which they're pretty cheap, and I have ordered a phone case from them before and this little phone charm, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd order from them again. Plus I also got this little charm. I just love cute little charms. But I thought I would put this on the planner, so pretty small, it shouldn't get in the way too much. I don't know, does that look right? It looks alright. But yeah, that was my plan, to kind of hang it on there because it looked cute. And then the other two things are from Vistaprint. So I basically got a PO box if you watched my last vlog. And this is my PO box address, the little stickers that I'm going to put on any orders that I get. But I chose a little beachy background. I've got a whole bunch of those. And then these are some logo stickers. So this is my new logo profile picture that I drew. And it's just a bunch of little stickers. So I'll be putting these on packaging. I won't peel it off completely because I don't want to waste them, but yeah, kind of like that. Little circles. I've got 250. Now a week later since my last footage, and today, well this weekend, I want to try and get a new printer. I've been looking at them all morning and it's actually been stressing me out a little bit because I really wanted a white one and I can't seem to find many white ones in Australia. I also want one of those that you pour the ink in because I found out that they're actually more cost effective and the ink lasts so much longer. But I also need to make sure that the print quality is good enough for my products. So I saw a couple of photo based inkjet printers, but they were nearly $1,000, and I don't think I want to pay that much out for a printer. I really want to keep it on a budget, so I'm trying to look around the 300 to 500 mark. it's the weekend again, it's Saturday, and I just obviously bought my new printer last weekend, but to be honest, when I get home from work, I don't always have enough energy, so I haven't really done much this week. So I've just set up the printer, and I've actually just printed out some new stickers, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I was dreading a little bit of how the colours were going to come out, and I was hoping that they were going to be just as good as the other one, because my other printer was like a photo based printer, and plus, by the way, the other one was so heavy compared to this one. It's so small and light, and I was just worried that it wasn't going to be as good. But anyway, I've just printed out the stickers. These are the final stickers that I've done, which I absolutely love how they've come out. I'm definitely very impressed with the colours, like obviously because this has only got 4 colours, the other one has 6. This is an example of an old sticker that I had on the other printer that I made on the same paper compared to the new one. Like, this one is so much more vibrant. I actually like it a lot better. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So yeah, I needed to make some more of this girl anyway, so I've just printed out some of her. Plus it's white and it's more of my like theme of colours that I like, so I'm trying to get more pinks, whites, browns kind of things to go in my office to make it more inspiring for me. So but yeah, just wanted to come on here anyway and just give you a little update quickly on the printer and just show you a little quick sneak peek of like how it actually turns out. I'm actually going to end this vlog here because I've got to start filming a new one this weekend. I'm actually going to print some more bookmarks and pack an order, just make a little to-do list. So I'm going to keep all that for the next vlog. So if you want to see more on how this printer works, definitely subscribe to my channel and stick around so you can see the next video from me. That's pretty much all I've got to say right now. So yeah, definitely stick around for the next vlog and I'll see you then. Bye!